In today's tutorial, I'll be taking you through tips on how you can grow your YouTube channel. So number one is choosing a good niche. Niche is a topic or what you are mostly talking about. Whenever one choose a niche, it depends on whatever you love storytelling and you would like to tell story to others. So you have to choose a niche direct to those your talents, those things you have to do freely. Then the number two tip is create high quality content. Creating high quality content is like set up a good camera, set up a good audio, set a good background for a video like this one, write scripts about your video, make your video to be the most accurate thing, plan your content, research, plan your how you can design your thumbnail. If it is for you to pay people for that, pay for it. But if it is not and you think you can do it, do it. Like me now, I'm shooting with my smartphone now and this is how it looks like, even in my setup. But imagine me, after this video now, I will just edit it with CapCut or any other editing applications and I'm free to go post it on YouTube and make more views. So today I'm urging you to create high quality videos, even though you can't start. I don't have cameras, I don't have microphones, I don't have better lighting. But let me tell you something, there is something you have to be creative about. Imagine when I started content, I started with just a smartphone. That thing you're using to use and watch me now, that's what I usually used to start. So when I started, I designed this light I'm showing you now, and for the first time, a tripod stand with just pipe and cement. And for a while, I bought a tripod and used that stand, that my former tripod stand, as my lighting stand, which I'm actually using for this video. So as you are seeing, I'm actually making content out of smartphone, not even camera. You can actually use the audio from your mobile phone before you can upgrade to any other microphones, like this wireless mic here and this other microphones which are huge. That is studio microphones and other things which you can't buy. They're huge amount of money, huge in dollars, huge in naira. The next thing you have to do is optimizing your video titles and description. Whenever you write a good title, whenever you write a good topic on something, people will love to read about it. People will love to click your content. People will love to watch your content. People would like to interact with you. People would like to be your audience because you have good titles. And I'll tell you a tool which will be down in the description below, which is vidIQ. vidIQ is a website or an application that helps people to manage their YouTube channel. So let's use this application that is down in the description below. And what do you think about it? So the next of all now is using an eye cache thumbnail. Like these thumbnails now, which I'm scrolling now. There are so many thumbnails you have to be doing. I want more views, I want more clicks on my channel, I want more subscribers. But you can't design your thumbnail to what people want. What's like saying now? I don't know how to design. I'm not even a graphic designer. You have to learn such. That's why Canva is there. I'll produce a video on how to design free thumbnails which you will love. So get ready for that tutorial and I'll see you next. Next one, I'm telling you about something that is really special. That is engaging with your audience. If you can't engage with your audience, who are you now talking to? Which camera are you now talking to? I can't communicate with them. You can't even comment on their comment box. You can't even give a shout out to them. For those that subscribe to you, look for comments. Go to other of your competitors' comments. Look for which topic they talk about, those questions, and make videos about it. That's how to engage with your audience. Don't make your videos to be boring. Whenever you make your videos to be boring, they won't like, what is even this guy doing? I'm like, why am I even watching? They'll just skip or even remove your video because they are not watching the right content. And engaging with your audience, build a strong connections with them. Know your strategies, engage with them very well, comment, give shout outs to them. That's what will give them vibes to continue with your content. They will give you feedbacks, answer their queue and try to be interactive with them. And the sixth tip I will be talking about now is consistency. Consistency is the key. Whenever you're not consistent, I'll post video today. You keep on postponing. Tomorrow, right, there is no light. Especially most of us in Nigeria is finding it a little bit hard to create content. Why? They will not bring light, or whenever you're shooting content, they will just take the light. You're just like, what am I going to do? You keep on postponing. You keep on postponing. You keep on postponing. Maybe I don't have microphones. I don't have anything. What are you going to do? What are you really going to do? Okay, whenever you are consistent with whatever you are doing, you will not find it as hard as. You will not find it as. It will be as easy as. There is one of my clients that I've been shooting videos for. Go watch out for him in the description below. That's Real Family Ties. I love this woman because the first day I want to shoot content for her, I was like, they took the light immediately. I was like, and later I will come back for the content because I'm ready to. Tell me no, I'll on my generator, I'll on my inverter for you so that we create this content. Instead, let me learn, but I want to create a good relationship with people, with his audience. He loves creating content daily. Why not do such? Why not do such things? So that's why I'm telling you, whenever you are not consistent, people will not know. People will hate your content will be poor. You will lack viewers, you will lack subscribers. Some people who dislike your videos, which are not good. Don't sacrifice your quality with your quantity. With this, I hope you got value in today's video and tutorial, and I hope you smash that subscribe button and follow me. Like, share, and subscribe.